Okay, so it's morning now,
Okay.
and we printed the pieces overnight, and we're going to try to assemble them into a cube. So, what do you think we should do?
Well, we
first?
should try to distinguish what the piece type. We need 3 pinks and 3 yellows.
All right, we need the equivalent of 3 pinks and 3 yellows.
So we can just try to find out if they are.
Be careful you're not moving these off camera.
Yep. So we need to.
That's like right at the edge right now.
So I guess we have to form the pyramid shape like this.
Okay, so we got 3 pinks. We found pairs that form the pyramid. Okay, that was not too hard. Is there a way to say which ones are the pinks and which ones are the yellows?
Well, the pinks are sort of
The pinks are the one
this.
that's closer.
Right, how do you know that's the pink and not the other one?
Because you can see, here's a paper one pointed in the same orientation.
They match.
Okay.
And then the yellows. The other
Match too.
Right, is there any other orientation?
That like would make a pink the yellow and the yellow the pink.
Yeah.
Well, no, the pink and the yellow are different shapes,
Okay.
so they wouldn't be able to become each other.
So you can't flip them. So there's no way to move this around in any way or put them together in some other way?
Well, you could I think that you found another way. You could put them together like that. So you can't really tell if that doesn't really show. I mean, actually, it does show, kind of, because now pointing toward the camera, the one on the left is the yellow, the one on the right is the pink. That could show it a little.
Is this the same shape though?
No.
No, it's a different shape.
Okay.
Different shape.
And it's the same volume, but it's a different shape.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to try to see if we can put these together to form a cube.
Okay.
I actually don't know if we're going to be able to. You pointed out that I should have made small boxes like Paula did. Why don't we make 2 pieces of the cube go together in the box? So 2 of the 3 pieces. And now let's try to do that with these shapes. So might have to hold them together somehow.
So we have something that looks like
I'll
this.
put my fingers on the bottom. Okay. Actually, it's not too bad. It's holding together fairly well.
Yeah.
All right. And do we have one shape left that makes a complete cube?
Yes, we do. You can put that in on there.
Just there. Here we are. And the box can go on.
I'm going to take my fingers away.
Cool. It stayed.
They actually stay together, which is pretty lucky.
Yep.
So there we go. So what do you guys think of this project?
Pretty cool.
Pretty neat project.
What are some other explorations you think we could do with it?
Well, you could notice that we had the pyramid shapes. You cut them in half. Could you cut these in half somehow?
Oh wow, you could keep cutting them in half. Okay.
Yeah.
You could cut them in half a different way. Maybe not exactly in half, but you could cut them on the line that goes from this point to this point.
Oh, wow, those would be completely different shapes.
It'd be harder to see that they'd go together and make this pyramid shape.
I was wondering if there was a different way to put them together. And maybe another shape if you put them together. Yeah, like, okay, so what happens if you put these shapes together?
Well, it kind of looks like an isosceles triangle. These sides are equivalent to each other, and then there's the one on the bottom. It actually looks like...
So it does look like an isosceles
Yeah.
triangle.
But I don't think that it makes some sort of interesting shape.
Interesting. You add them. You have to get this face.
That face.
To get it like that. And it, now it kind of.
What did we make here?
We made a sort of, we had half of a box shape.
Half a box. Huh. So if we had more
pieces.
If we had more pieces, we could actually make a
full box.
box. So it's interesting. So these pieces can be used in the when you fold them up together in the form of a cube to tile the plane.
Yeah, it looks just
Big and tile also that way, it seems.
Yeah, and I'm wondering if that's a different tiling or is it actually secretly the same tiling?
Well, it might be the same because if you made two of these if you made two of them and stacked one on the other, it might be the same cube. It might be a cube.
Right, so that pink might be that one. And so we have, when we put a second one of these over here and a second one over here, we might actually make a cube right here.
Yeah.
So this is a different part of the tiling. But anyway, it's a different way to put them together,
Yeah.
which is pretty neat. Okay, hey, good work on this, guys. This is actually kind of fun to play around with. There's a lot to learn from these shapes. Good work.